ministry, through the Premix Fuel Secretariat, continues with the supply of subsidized premix fuel to the landing beaches. A total of 52,920,000 liters of premix fuel were supplied between January to June 2021. As you may have observed, illegal activities such as premix fuel diversion and hoarding has reduced drastically. This is due to intensified monitoring and tracking of all supplies. By combined efforts of National Petroleum Authority and National Premix Secretariat, the ministry has initiated processes to digitize the supply and distribution of premix fuel as a measure to further reduce the incidence of diversion and hoarding. Under the digitization program, sale of premix fuel will be fully automated, and fishermen will use canoe identification cards to buy the product.